We recently talked about how fermented apples and oranges improve your health, and we noticed you guys like this type of content, so we brought a recipe for fermented carrots. Do you know it? Have you heard of it? Probiotics are becoming more common in the diet of people trying to be healthier. We are always talking about probiotics here on our channel, so check out some suggestions at the end of this video to learn more about it. According to a study from Stanford University, a diet rich in fermented foods increases the diversity of gut microorganisms. This helps reduce inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and stimulate general body function. Also, the microorganisms from fermentation stay alive when passing through the gastrointestinal tract, which improves gut microbiota, strengthens gastrointestinal activity, prevents constipation, and helps with mineral and vitamin absorption. Isn't it amazing? Carrots are rich in minerals, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and potent antioxidants that improve lung, liver, and kidney function, and help prevent many types of cancer. Another benefit of carrots is that they help treat constipation, prevent kidney stone formation, and purify the intestines, which eliminates toxins and helps with adequate nutrient absorption. When we eat a carrot raw, it gives us the necessary enzymes to regulate the digestive system. Write down the ingredients: 1 pound of shredded carrots, 3.5 ounces raisins, 1 tablespoon grated garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, preferably pink Himalayan salt. Put the shredded carrots in a basin or bowl, add salt and garlic, then mix well with your hands, squeezing the carrots to release the liquid. Next, add the raisins, stir and transfer to a sterilized glass jar. Slowly pour the mixture into the jar and press it. Since it will be an anaerobic fermentation, we need to eliminate all air inside. Pour the liquid over and cover with some cabbage leaves to avoid the carrots from going up on the jar. You don't need to fill the whole jar, so choose a big one or divide the recipe into 2 smaller jars. Put some weight over the cabbage leaves to press down the carrots. You can use a small jar or a plastic bag filled with water. Close the jar, but not too tight, as the gas from fermentation needs a way out. Let it ferment for 2 to 3 days in a clean, dry, and cool place. After that, keep your probiotic carrots in the fridge and eat them daily with your meals, lunch and/or dinner. This natural homemade fermented probiotic carrot recipe is excellent for cultivating good bacteria for your body. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.